Did you know that mastering sight words can transform a child's reading journey? These words are the building blocks of fluency, allowing students to read smoothly and with confidence. For struggling readers, sight word automaticity is a game changer. It reduces cognitive load, enabling them to focus on comprehension rather than decoding each word. Achieving sight word mastery boosts overall literacy. It empowers students to tackle more complex texts, enhancing their academic success and love for reading. We're going to review several quick and easy ways to increase sight words and improve reading fluency. Flashcards are a timeless tool for sight word practice. Daily drills help students memorize and quickly recall words, building a strong foundation for reading fluency. Create flashcards with sight words and practice them daily. This repetitive exposure helps in memorization and quick recall. Students have cards with common words on them, such as I can, we are the sea and in. Students can count how many they get correctly. They can even create their own word cards. This is a great partner activity. Each student should start with 10 words, and 5 can be added each week. The students should practice at least 3 times a week, but ideally practice daily. The trace it and tap it technique combines visual, tactile, and auditory learning. Students trace letters, tap them out, and write them down, reinforcing memory. Try this quick technique to help children remember sight words. Write a sight word on a note card or flashcard in clear lowercase letter handwriting. Tell the child what the word is, then have them repeat it back to you. Have the child trace each letter on the flashcard using the back of a pen or pencil. Say the name of each letter as they trace it. Then say the whole word while underlining it. Do this 2 more times. Now trace the word on the table using their finger. Say each letter as you trace it, then say the whole word while underlining it. Do this 2 times. Have them try to trace it from memory on their last try. Next, using the hand they write with, tap each letter of the word down their opposite arm. For example, how, H tap the shoulder, O tap the elbow, and W tap the wrist. Finally, have the child write the word in a notebook or on a piece of paper. This is a good activity to combine with flashcard drills. Transform traditional bingo into a sight word game. Students listen for words and mark them on their cards, sharpening their listening and recognition skills. This game adds excitement and reinforces word recognition. Write sight words on bingo cards. Create the cards by writing 16 words on each card in random order. There will be 4 words across the card and down the card. Students listen to words read aloud and cover the sight words they have on their card. Add a level of challenge to this game by having students write a list of the words they hear, but don't have. The sight word memory game boosts recall. Students match pairs of words, reinforcing their memory and recognition skills in a playful setting. Print sight word cards so that you have 2 of each word. Turn the cards face down and turn 2 over at a time. If the words are the same, the student keeps the pair. If not, they read both words and the cards are turned back down. This can be done independently or with a partner. Organize a sight word scavenger hunt. Write sight words on note cards. Hide the word cards around the room. Then, give students a list of the sight words they need to find. They can read the word list, then search the room to check off each word. Integrate physical activity with sight word hopscotch. Draw a hopscotch grid and write sight words in each square. As students hop, they read the words aloud, integrating physical activity with learning. Use classroom transitions to reinforce sight word learning. Post words on the door and have students read them as they line up, making learning dynamic. We've explored various activities to boost sight word fluency, from flashcards to hopscotch. These methods make learning interactive and enjoyable for students. By incorporating these strategies, you'll enhance reading fluency and foster a love for learning. Interactive methods engage students, making literacy a fun adventure.